Mr. Adon. Adon brings to Boss Andal. Boss Andal to Magallanes. Magallanes. Jumper, no good. Rebound, Mr. Ramos. Castings and Gorgeous. Suson, no good. Rebound by Mr. Tulay. Tulay giving the ball to Adon brings. Adon. On steal. Desierto nag-iisa. 2 points, Mr. Desierto. High class, K-score 2-6. Alon to Boss Andal. Boss Andal naghanap ng kapasan to Mamales. Mamales jumper. Yes sir, Mr. Mamales. 2 points. Mr. Mamales. To Ramos. Desierto. To Mr. Keniano. No good. Rebound Mr. Susan. Second board. Rebound Mr. Susan. No good. Na steal. Magallanes. Magallanes. To Mamales. Mamales. Take back. Boom. From isang rebound by Tulay. Same ball. To Saudi. 13 to shoot. Mr. Tulay. To Alon Prince. No good. Keniano to Desierto. Desierto. Foul. Foul. Mr. Alon Prince. 2 shots for Mr. Desierto. This game brought to you by Hita School Supplies. Sia Company. Desierto. No good. Canuantina. Desierto. Yes, Mr. Desierto. Score 3-8. Alon Prince. Steal. By Mr. Masagnay. Masagnay ang yun. Up, Suson. Pass to Suson. No good. Rebound by Mr. Magallanes. Magallanes. Up. Magallanes. Shotgun. Magallanes. Vamos. Pass play. Bumangka juga. Mr. Magallanes. Suson. Foul. Foul. Mr. Jersey number 11. Alon Prince. Alon Prince. Alon. Second personal foul. Yes, 1 point. Mr. Suson. Score 4-10. That's 5 and 39. Yes, sir. Again, Mr. Suson. 5-10. Alon Prince. Alon Prince. Floater. Yes. Counted foul by Mr. Adon. One shot. One shot for Mr. Adon. Adon. Yes, sir. Mr. Adon scored 5-13. That's 5 and 13. Masagnay to Kiliano. Kiliano to Masagnay. Kiliano nag-isa. No good. Oh, nakuha ni Desierto. Mamales. Mamales. Pass to Alon. Wow, what a nice defense by Mr. Masagnay. Same ball. Alright. Pass to Tulay. To Alon Prince. 4-3. Good. Pass to Desierto. Pass break. Kaya ang ganda. Nagmamadali kasi. Ramos, layup, no good. Rebound by Ramos. Wow. Foul number 13, Mr. July. 2 shots for Mr. Ramos. Yes, sir, Mr. Ramos. Alright. Score 6-13. Mr. Ramos again. No good. Loose ball foul, Mr. pushing foul. By Michelle. As to Boss Andal, na-highlight king. Boss Andal, may highlight na may Andal. Grabe yun. Hindi ko tinitig-video ang asawa, no? Masagnay to Michelle for 3. Wala ang tinaman na rin. Okay, score 6-15, that's 4-14. Dulay to Ano Briggs. Tapos Andal. Naka-ready na ang camera. Tapos Andal to Ano Briggs. Oh, what a nice pass to the mountain. Mang Males. Tana. Black Panthers. Match 6 and 17. Score 6-17. Georgians. Last 3 and 55 for the first quarter. Right about the Kandas. Ang mga okay, last 3 and 55. My rebounds, Masagnay to Quiliano for 3. Bam! Mr. Quiliano! Kakagaling ng yan sa championship kagabi. Mr. Quiliano. Score 9-17, last 3 and 34. Boss Andal. 10 to shoot. Boss Andal. Ibaboy ang tuwa. Highlights na to. The Mountain. Wala. Rebound by. Oh, surprise! Wow. Jersey number 27, number 7. Quiliano. 2 shots for Mr. Magallanes. Unang tira. No good. Ikalawang tira. Yes, sir, Mr. Magallanes. Ang ganda ng takbo. Magallanes, ito. Pasag 9. Score 9-80. Last 3 and 10. Desierto, no good. Rebound by Mr. Foul. Na-foul si Mr. Ramos. Foul Mr. Magallanes. 2 shots for Mr. Ramos. Warning for penalty ang Guardian. First personal foul Magallanes. Ramos. No good. Rebound ng Magallanes. Magallanes. Elgary pass to Magallanes. Mikey Mouse. At si Boss Andal. Nagkamanggan. 30 foul. 4 Black Panthers. Foul Mr. Masagnay. Score 9-18. Last 2 and 7. Warning goal teams. For penalty. Boy, sabi rin. Tinawin na. 2 points. Wow, Mr. July. Ang ganda ng pagkasawili. Masagnay. Quiliano. 2. Masagnay. 8 to shoot. 5 Quiliano. 4. Quiliano. Magandang umabot na po ang Panthers 14-20. Magallanes Pitbull. No good. Pass to Waterford. Gagawin nila ang kamera. Ay, nice na po. 2 points. Dalawa na. Post natin yan mamaya. Mighty Mouse. Tukiliano. Mga highlights. Sabi lang ako sa andan, mga natako. 5 points na lang, last one and 24. Oy! Andan! Ibalo sila. Disyerto. Oy! There's the ball. Oh, hindi nakita ang kasama. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 5. Magallanes. Speed move. Penalty na ang Black Panthers. Ako mga kauban kami sa diri katulog na. Ato nagpagtatan. Pili lang daw. Tatan ng Jow Kicks. Matay ni Arkaroy. Wala. Aaron Prince. Yes sir. Score. 23-17, last 40. 40 seconds. Pasagnay to Ramos. Pasagnay 4-3. No good. Pinalay. Good. Until. Last pass, Mr. Vicento. Last 20 seconds. Last 20. 15. Okay, dalawang tira para kay Mr. Mamales. Mr. Suson, second personal foul, last 6 seconds. No good. No good first one, Mamales. Last 6 minutes. Mamales, no good. Rebound, Mr. Suson, 3. Score 17-23. SPC Guardians. Okay, second 5 ulit na. Second 5. Diretso na. Give na ba? Okay, bitaw na rin. 1 minute. Ay, salamat. Mahumalag yun. Last na yun. Acknowledging the presence of Boy, Gold Star, Patang Gold Star, Ray, Awan nun. O, second point. Ito na. Hindi nyo sila. Ba't okay. Second five, Huntong. Sa Guardians, Huntong, Villamor, Capricho, Daya, and Nunon. Okay, another league finals in Nunon. Another league finals. Mari ka balik. Dire Aramis, Glantero, Pareño, Paz, and Ayo. Already na, bola sa Black Panthers. Glantero to Pareño, Pareño to Glantero, Glantero to Paz, Paz nagkiring-kiring. Foul, Mr. Capricho. First personal foul and first team foul. Pareño. Aramis to Paz, jumper, no good, rebound by Daya to Capricho. Capricho, pass to the ball. Sus! Nagunit ni Pulaw, ikaw pa lima. Finals. Score 17-23 in favor of Guardians. This game is the championship game. It's game brought to you by Boss Ayan. Aramis, counter jumper, rebound na Mr. Huntong. Huntong to Capricho. Capricho. Capricho, pass to Huntong. No good. Mr. Daya, number 4, pushing foul. Bolas on the Panthers. Last season, 55. Pareño. Pareño to pass. Rattling Mr. Paz. Daya to Mr. Capricho. Capricho. Foul. Capricho. Floater, yes. Mr. Capricho. 17-25. Glantero. 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 To Pareño. Pareño to Glantero. Walang nagbabantay. Bang! Kala nyo ha? Kala nyo ha? Rebound. Wait. Bola sa Guardians. Daya. Aras may Marino. Alaya no Capricho. Capricho. Paso. Bilyabdor. Untong. 27-20. 7-point lead. Aramis to Pareño. Two shots. Number 24, Mr. Capricho. Naigo sa helmet. Two shots for Mr. Paz. Yes. Practice tayo. 1 point, Mr. Paz. Ikalawang tira, Mr. Paz. No good rebound, Mr. Huntong. Huntong to Capricho. Capricho. Pass to Huntong. Foul. Jersey number 29, Mr. Aramis. Okay. Throw in. Mr. Dolor, last 5 and 8. Villaflor, pass to Capricho.
Last and shoot.
Capricho. Pass to Daya. 3 seconds violation by Guardians. Aramis to Pareño. Pareño sumalaksak. Longer. Yes, sir, Mr. Pareño. 23, 27, 23-27. 4-point lead. Last 4 and 30. Course number 2 by Mr. Capricho. Mr. Villaflor, no good. Rebound by Mr. Pareño. Pareño, umata Mr. Parreño. Last 4 and 5 score, 23-27, 4-1 Villaflor, moving by Villaflor to Daya. Balik to Villaflor to Capricho. Capricho!
Ay!
Oy! Tiningnan Capricho.
Oy!
Foul! Kulang? Lagi, dagan ang kulang. Belum. Masuk. Out. Okay, 3-point shot. A 3-point. Line sa labaw. Sa labaw.
Oy! Villaflor!
No good. Apay dua. Okay, last 3 and 21. No good.
Hala, my goodness! Nga naman na!
Villaflor. No good.
Oy.
1 point, Mr. Villaflor. 23-20. Paso pa rin yun. Asking by Mr. Villaflor. Mr. Hutong. Mr. Hutong. Nice. Nice steal by Mr. Parreño. Parreño. Sumaksak. Foul, Mr. Jersey number 2. Daya. Ato, Villaflor. Two shots for Mr. Parreño. Unang tira. No good, Mr. Parreño. Ikalawang tira. Yes, sir. 1 point, Mr. Parreño. Score! 24-20. 1-point lead. Oh, galing by Mr. Aramis Capricho. Asko, isang dribble ka na.
Sir!
Paso Parreño. 2 points, Mr. Parreño. 2 points na lang. 26
Na!
Last
Napsan!
2 and 39. Bulaway works, Capricho.
Oy!
Daya. No.
No! Guys! Oy! Wala man to gi...
Aramis to Parreño. To Aramis.
Oy! Dili! Saan man na?
Katay na mo! Wasilay kaya! 3 versus 1. Isang dribble.
Lala! Ay! Ay!
1 Mr. Pass. 3 versus 1. May sabot eh. Mr. Pass. Time out. Delga, last 2 minutes.
My goodness!
Wow, my Black Panthers. Okay, last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Okay, last 2 minutes. Delta, 28 ang score. This is the finals. Wow. Dapat din lang may finals. Daya to Capricho. Daya. Pasok. Villaflor.
Yeah!
Villaflor. Aramis dribbling the ball. Aramis. Astoy. Ayon. Yes, sir, Mr. Ayon. Wow. Deadlock na naman. Okay. Punto. Capricho. Pass to Daya.
Wow! Sayang! Ay.
Last one and 12. Then 30. Yes, sir, Mr. Pibon. Ikalawang tira. Yes, wow, from Pizarro. 32-30. Last one and 12. Pareño. Pareño, paso a Loris, Pareño. Two. Clanero. Yay! Wala. Pareño. Yes! First one from Mr. Hong. Headlock ganda. Last 58 seconds and the second quarter. Yes, naman ka ang Black Panthers. Clanero, two Pareño. Score na kanil ba ba? Punto. Ay, two points, Mr. Punto. Lamang lakwad. Last 38 seconds. Rapero, 30 seconds. Arabis, walang nagpamatay. Bam! Mr. Arabis. Lamang na ang Black Panthers ng dalawa. Pasto nila. Pagkasing Martinero. Kala nyo ha? Kala nyo ha? To Arabis again. Arabis. Jumper. Bam! Again. Last 8 seconds. Lamang na 4.85.
Ayan lang.
Time! End of third, second quarter. Score, 38-34. Lamang ang Black Panthers. Okay. Wala pa, layo pa. Malayo pa ang urbaka. Okay. Ang Black Panthers 12. Guardians 15. So, pili silang tulong. Okay, ang piliun daw sa kuhan, ayaw masagnay o desierto. Ano bibili? This game brought to you by Lina School Supplies. Sia Company. Mr. Ryan. GTL Motorhomes. Monday. Surwin. Processing Services. Surwin, Alingtan. Surwin. Guardians for score 24-38 lamang ng Black Panthers. Third quarter. Mr. Velon pass to Yunson. Yunson pass to Boris for 3. Wala ang ibang ng Mr. Tan. Mr. Willing out to Mr. Tan. Yay! Kagawa Mr. Willing. Mansano, Bernabe, tumayo, wala nag-shopping ka, no good. Oh, last pass, Mr. Johnson, 14 to shoot. Inbound by Mr. Mansano, Bernabe, Desierto, nanong pipili, 2 points, Mr. Desierto. Anong ipili ha? Lamang na ng 6 points of Black Panthers. Lawas. Last pass, Mr. Desierto. Rebound, Mr. Ayun. Ay, steal. Nakakuha ako sa steal. Pasok pa sa line. Lane. Ay, violation by Mr. Masagnay. Last 6 and 25. Lawas to Mr. Relon. Relon. Relon jumper. No good. Rebound by Mr. Bernabe. Bernabe to Masagnay. Masagnay. Umaatake. Pass to Vicente. Wala na lang sa ring. Lawas. Pumarunot. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Ayo. Ayo to Mas Manzano. Nasa speed. Manzano. To Bernabe. Bernabe to Vicente. Vicente ni Mara. Vicente. Ayo. Vicente. Paano pipili? Paano Mr. Gilson? First, personal foul Gilson. 34-40. 46. Foul, Mr. Bernabe. What a steal by Mr. Lawas. Last foul and 17. 6.8, 24-40. That covers. Lawas. Lawas. Jumper. Wala. Lawas to Boris. Boris jumper. No good. Good sa kanina. Wow. 2 points. 36-40. Bernabe. Bernabe ang Mighty Mouse. Masagnay. Bernabe. 10 to shoot. Bernabe. High. No good.
Sige. Sige.
One Boris. Rafael Gilson.
Assist, assist. Okay.
Surinam, 2 points! 2 points na lang ang namamahal ng Fighters. Last quarter 25. Manzano. 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 Manzano to Masagnay. Masagnay to Bernabe. Bernabe. Foul. Foul, Mr. Lawas. 14. 14. Last quarter 5. Masagnay. To Diciato for 3. Wala. Manzano. Wala. Igawas. Mighty Mouse for 3. Wala. Tanong kipili. 43-38. Lawas. Foul, Mr. Masagnay.
Ay, hindi man tulong sila.
Ladies.
Patay.
Okay. Mr. Tan.
Naggan pa naman sila.
Mr. Tan. Lawas. Almost a steal by Mr. Bernabe. Mr. Tan. Gilson.
Yes.
Time out. 2 points, Mr. Gilson. Time out ng Panthers. Score 40-43. Last 3 and 16. Wow. Bumaganda ang laro. Score 40-43. Now kipili. Okay. 3-point na lang ang lead. Last 3 and 16. Manzano. Manzano to Diciato to Manzano. For 3. No good. Viva. Wari. Relon. To Boris. Boris. Still. No. Still. Boris. Bernabe, Tumansano, Desierto to Bernabe, wala, rebound by Gibson, the great Ray Gibson, 2 points, Mr. Gibson, 1 point lead na lang. Masagay,
Ay!
wala. Foul, Mr. Tan. 4.
Half shot na lang.
First si Mr. Tan. Warning for penalty. Ang block ang 1. Guardians.
Good, 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 good.
Okay. Bernabe, dalawang tira. Ay, wala.
Good, very good, very good. Permanente.
155. Torreon.
Bantay, bola, bola.
To Gibson. Chukan.
Ay, good.
44-43. Last one at 40. Lamang na 1 point. Ang Guardians.
Bantay, bola.
Last one at 30. Bernabe. 2.
Lag.
And Torreon. Rilon.
Ay!
Now, may seconds to play. Naman na ang Guardians. Seconds to play. Last 40 seconds.
Defense, defense!
Okay. Gibson, 2 shots for Mr. Gibson. Last 38 seconds. Delta.
Shoot lang, shoot.
Gibson. Wala. Rebound. Ay! Timeout. Duckhunters. Wow, what a nice rebound. Nalabang na bola ng Guardians to 3. Last 24 seconds.
Ha?
Okay, last 24 seconds. Bernabe, to Manzano. Manzano to may limaw. 3, good. Rebound. Last 20 seconds. Pass to Yunson. Yunson, good ball. Good. Pass to Labas. 3. Labas, 2 points. Pass. 10 seconds. Counted.
Yes!
Okay. Lamang na po, balik ang Guardians. 53-48. Karon, ang tinuod ng battle. Okay. 5-point lead. Score 48-53. Guardians. Last 8 minutes of the season. Okay. Ibuhos na. Uskanay na kusog. Hugtanay na. Pulloy na. Kayo na si Kanay. Wala si Kanay. Sige na. Pableño, Quiliano, Suson, Arabis, Manzano. Sa SCC Guardians, Lawas, Yunson, Villaflor, Untong, Oxy Capricho.
Ayaw lang.
Pableño, yes, and won by Mr. Pableño. Jersey number 6, Mr. Lawas.
Mapildi mo.
First personal foul.
Dili.
Wala'y gusto magpapindi. No good, pinball by Mr. Gibson.
Dapat madaog mo.
Capricho.
Ano lang dula na ito?
Capricho.
Oy.
To Lawas. Lawas.
Oy, Philippines! Oy! Oy, foul na, foul na!
Stay by Mr. Manzano. But Arabis. Arabis. Suson. Suson na yan. Yes! 2 points, Mr. Suson.
Muli na tayo.
1 point lead na lang sa Guardians. Last 7 and 20. Napatagay na natin laban. Villaflor to steal. Almost a steal. To Lawas for 3. No good. Rebound Villaflor. No good. Alingin na po si Villaflor. Foul. Mr. Gilson. Second team foul. The second personal foul by Mr. Gilson. 1 point lead for Guardians. Arabis for 3. Mr.
Ay, nako!
Bis. Lana. All 2 points ang Black Panthers. Pindot kayo lang kasi anong masasabi?
Ay!
Uy, wala. Capricho.
Tama! Ay!
Wala. Gibson, nag-aalimaw. Tenda tayo, Mr. Gibson. 2 points. Para nyo. Arabis number, no good.
De.
Tenda. Untong. Untong, dire-diretso. To Capricho. Ay! Untong.
Ay! Foul!
Mr. Quiliano.
Foul!
Last. Okay, 2 shots from Mr. Untong.
Shoot lang! Shoot lang! Shoot lang!
No
Ay, my
good.
God!
Kulba, hilang nalula.
Shoot lang! Shoot lang!
Kulba ng video number sa Likas. Wala.
Oy!
Rebound ng Mr. Pareño.
Oy, defense!
Pareño, big hit.
Na, my goodness!
2 point Mr. Pareño. Laban ng White ng Black Panthers. Last 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Mr. Lawas, Pareño championship game. Yunson.
Ay, defense! Tama!
Pinanjit. Wala. Suson.
Goodness!
Lawas. Wala. Mr. Lawas.
Wala! Detso!
Mr. Lawas.
Defense! Oy!
Foul, Mr. Arabis. Last 5 and 42. Laban ng Black Panthers. 2 point lead. Layo pa sa Pinoy. Mr. Lawas. Lawas. Paint jumper. Lawas. No good. Lawas niya mo rebound. Lawas foul. Yup.
Awan ako kakuan.
Mr. Manzano. 2 shots for Mr. Lawas. 30 foul.
Shoot
For
lang!
Manzano's Lawas. Yes sir, Mr. Lawas. Uy, pasapas. Ulba hinang. Ikaduhang tira, Mr.
Good.
Lawas.
Yes, very good. Nice.
Then that na board. Rebound Mr. Suson. Manzano.
Oy, very good.
To Capricho.
Oh, bam.
Jump ball. Guardians ball. Guardians ball. Guardians ball. Guardians ball. Guardians ball. Okay na, okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Ay. Okay, shoot lang, Marlon. Yeah! Wala yung singaw.
Ilan to?
Permanent yan.
3 points. Maraming follows.
Wala. Yan, good. Ay, bantay. Good. Okay, very good. Nice.
Lawas. Maraming talawas.
Wow, very good. Yes.
Lamang na 5.8 ang Guardians. Last point 40.
Lakla na yung pang time. Ay. Ay.
Time out, Mr. Sam Thunder. Five point lead. Last score of 34. 62-57. Guardians. Layo pa na. Guardians running for penalty. Ano? Number 9 running for penalty. Guardians. Second team foul. Last score and 34.
Jadi Mel. Ikaw, Mel.
Lawas. To Capricho. Last score and 25. Capricho. And Bibi. No good. Same ball, 14. 14 to shoot. Last score and 19. Untuk Villacor, yes, Mr. Villacor. Maraming steal. Pareho. Foul.
Then.
Number 44. Kiliano half pass in. Last score and 10. Score 57-64. Two shots for Mr. Parreno. Unang tira ni Parreno. Yes, Mr. Parreno. 58-64. Layo pa ni sa tinuan. No good. Rebound by Mr. Buntok.
Stop. Ay, diba?
Buntok. Yes, 2 points. Mr. Villacor. 66-58. Last 3 and 50.
Oh, bantay.
Parreno.
Agay.
Mr. Magallanes.
Pushing na.
Warning for penalty on Guardians. Both teams. 13 to shoot. Manzano.
Oy! Yes! Yes!
Out of bounds. Mr. Suson. Villacor. To Capricho. Last 325.
Alay, alay, alay!
Capricho yay. Lawas. Tapos ni Aramis.
Ay, good.
Lawas ni Mr. Hongtong Jumper.
Wala.
Mr. Pass. Mr. Pass. Pim. Mr. Pim. Mr. Pass. Mr. Pass. Lagan limo. Mr. Pass. Tingnan na.
Good!
Mr. Pass.
Game, pas!
Lawas Jumper. Masuk nila to yan.
Ay, wala, sipa! Good pa, sipa!
Masuk ke Pijo to Lawas.
Yes! Ganon! Asa man?
Naawa lagi.
Wala gito. Uli, ani. Asal susi? Atro ka, daddy.
Yes, sir. 11 point lead. Last 2 and 25.
Layo pa ang time. Napay 2 minutes.
58.
Bantay sa bola. Ay, good.
Mr. Hugo.
Sure lang.
Aras kay Mr. Pareño.
Okay. Shoot, diretso, shoot. 16 seconds, 14. 9, 8. Okay, shoot lang.
Bilagor.
Kulang. Dagan!
Suson.
Wala. Oops!
Sabo yan.
Okay.
Mr. Lawas, penalty. 2 shots. Last 1 and 57.
Ay!
Penalty goal kicks. Nawa na si Yunsun.
Okay.
Last 1 and 57.
Soy, salipdan gid niya kanina, boy.
Yes. 1 point. 10-point lead. Last 1 and 57. Capricho.
Good.
Lawas.
Shoot. Timing.
Ready to shoot.
Ay!
Guardians, time out. Time out, Guardians.
Kuha na siya. A minute and 39 seconds. 10-point lead sila. Sila ba itong champion last time? Kalaban nila kay Kalinting sa ano? Ay, dali na! Verdict na! This is now the verdict.
Okay, unang tila ni Untong Nongkong.
Sayama on!
Untong.
Sure lang! Ay, my gosh!
Pilihan.
Ay! Wala! Dan!
Capricho.
Sure lang, sure defense! Good!
Untong.
Sure lang, sure! Ay, foul! Okay!
Foul. Number 70. 22. Last one and shots. Last one and 12.
Kisay mo siya.
Running for foul around a rally.
Shoot lang, shoot. Good. Nice one. Shoot pa.
Ikalawang tira. Yes, no good.
Yikes.
64, last 1 minute and 3 seconds. Hoy, that's real.
Oh, alala.
Oh, Aramis.
Ay, my God. Go. Ay, ay.
Tuginano. Seconds to play. Manzano. Let the shoot. Moreno.
Ay, nako.
Last 45 seconds. 6-point lead. 6-point lead, 45.
Ah. Ay, ay. Shit.
Moreno. Yes. 4-point lead. Time out. 4-point lead na lang. Last 41 seconds. Gamot na mo na ganyan sa mga last time.
Liara, uy.
Ala! Last 21 seconds. No more time out ng Guardians. Untong! Mas na Mr. Ramos. 40.
Oy, dali. Ay. Okay, foul. Piano.
Last 26 seconds.
Okay, penantian. Kada shoot. Kada foul shoot. Kada foul shoot. Kada foul shoot. Yes!
Yes, 1 point. Aktak niya ay kumana ng kameraman niya.
Another shoot. Ay, oh, sayang.
Rebound kay Mr. Reyno.
Oy!
Mr. Hungong, penalty.
Ay!
Wala. 33 seconds pa. Time out. Black Panthers. Ngayon pa, nakapay free throws. Wait, pamagkaya din.
Uy, ikilan ninyo ng time sa si dribble. Oy.
Two free throws for Mr. Pareño. Okay, 2 shots for Mr. Pareño. Last 23.8 seconds. Unang tira, Mr. Pareño.
Ah, yes. No good. Another no good.
All right, this is it.
Wow, nice. Very good.
Foul, Mr. Pareño. Third personal foul, Mr. Pareño. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds of the season. Untong.
Sure. Ay, sayang.
Binibigyan pa ng pag-asa. Wala. Mr. Untong. Yes, sir, Mr. Untong. 6-point lead. Yes! Last 26 seconds.
Yes! Sure lang, sure lang. Yeah! Oy, naamoy ko na ang masarap na pananghalian. Sure lang. Very good! Yay! Yes!
Pero pali siguro, tawag lang ninyo 3 points na. Best time. Last 4-1-6. Aramis.
Wala! Yes! Yes! My friend! Yes!
And now back to back. To back to back.
Yes!
SBC Gana!
SBC, the unbeatable!
Action pupuro ko eh. Action yung pinagawin. Okay, award mo na. Let's award the first place.
Yes! 5 points.
And now, our our Saturday Basketball Club Season 3 first place goes to Black Panthers! Palakpakan ng Black Panthers! Okay.